Hello, hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen. And guys, I want to share this video with you to show you exactly how you can get all of this for just $15.10. That's right. 2 packs of hamburger, 3 packs of chili seasoning mix, a box of cornbread, a can of diced tomatoes, and a can of kidney beans for just $15.10. So before we jump into the deal, I need you guys to do me a favor, and I need you to hit that subscription button. If you are watching me on YouTube, I'm on the road to getting 12,000 subscribers, and I need your help. So I need you to smash that subscription button. And if you are subscribing, make sure you hit the bell right next to it. That way you get notified every time I put up a new video. If you are watching this video on Facebook, just simply hit the follow button. That way Facebook will let you know every time I put up a new video or post, so that you don't miss out on any of the good deals of the week that I present to you. So guys, this deal that I have for you today is from Giant Food Stores. Every week, Giant Food Store puts up a sale where you can buy a certain item and then get a certain item free. Usually those items make an entire meal. So I like to take advantage of that because those meal deals are really, really cheap. So this week they have these items, and the deal is good from now through Thursday, February 15th. And everything comes to $15.10. So what you want to do is you want to grab 2 packs of the ground beef. And you do have to grab 2 packs. You can't just get away with one. So as you can see, I have 2 packs of the ground beef. And then also you want to grab 1 can of the light red kidney beans. They are the Giant brand kidney beans. Now, let me go back a little bit. So remember I said you have to buy this and then you get all of this free. So in this deal, you buy the 2 packs of hamburgers and you get the chili packet, the kidney beans, the diced tomatoes, and the corn muffin mix for free. But you do have to buy 2 packs of the hamburger. And the hamburger can vary in price. Most of them were like $7 and some change. So what I did, I tried to grab 2 that were very similar. So the one is $7.76 and the other one is $7.87. So I try not to, have a large variation between my 2 packs of meat. So basically I paid for the meat, but then I got everything else for free. So the kidney beans are priced at 75 cents each. And again, you have to get the Giant brand. When they say buy this and get this free, there are specific items that you have to get. And normally they're located in the store all together. They're usually on an end cap, and the meat is usually in a freezer part, and then everything else that goes with the meat is usually on top. So that makes it very easy for you to do the deal, so you don't have to be running all around the store looking for this or looking for that. They usually have everything right there for you. So that makes it easy for me and for everyone else, and that's another reason why I like to do this. So now the other thing that they're giving away when you buy those 2 packs of hamburgers is the Jiffy corn mix. So the Jiffy corn mix is 79 cents, but it is on a bonus buy this week, so it's on sale for 67 cents. Also, you want to grab a can of the Furman's Italian style diced tomatoes, and those are $1.29. And last but not least, you get a packet of the McCormick chili mix. Now save that for last because there's some other deals that go along with that. So the McCormick chili mix is on sale this week for $1.69, or it's regularly $1.69, and you only get one. Now you'll see that I have 3. The reason I have 3 is because of the different sales and promotions that were going on with that, and I wanted to make it the best bang for my buck. So again, they are $1.69. If you buy one, you're going to get that free because you bought the 2 packs of hamburger. But you see I have 3. The reason I have 3 is because they are having a promotion. When you buy 2, you get 1 free. So I did that and I grabbed 3. So at the register, I paid for 1. And I'm going to show you the receipt. Is really weird how they calculated it, but I wanted to show you that. Now, the sale for the buy 2 get 1 free is not just on the chili mix. It's on all different types of McCormick products, and I'm going to show you here the different ones. So here you have the slow cooker mix, and they're all different prices. You have the taco mix. So here you see all these different McCormick products are buy 2, get 1 free. So you can mix and match when you get your 3. I just chose to buy 3 chili packets, okay? But again, you don't have to do it the way I did it. You can do it for what's best for you and your family. But there's 39 different choices here. And I'm just showing all to you so you know what's available to you, okay? So not only is it buy 2, get 1 free, but also if you look in your Ibotta app, Ibotta is giving back $1 if you buy 3. So that was the whole point of me getting 3, because it's buy 2, get 1 free, and because of the whole Ibotta deal. So with Ibotta, even though I'm getting ones free, it doesn't matter. I still can redeem my rebate. So I'm going to show you my receipt, and in the end, you'll see that I really made out with getting the 3. So actually, I only paid 19 cents for 3 packets of seasoning, and I'm going to show you on my receipt how that came about. I was really shocked that it ended up being that way. So here is my receipt. So there you see the kidney beans for 75 cents. There you see the Jiffy corn mix for 79 cents minus the 12 cents, which brought it down to 67 cents. The 12 cents is the bonus buy. There is 1 seasoning mix for $1.69. There you see the $1.69 came off, and it says price you pay for free. And that was because I bought the 2 things of hamburger. There you see the charge for the other 2 chili mixes. Now, just hold on, because you're going to see further down in my receipt where I got another 1 free, because remember, it was buy 2, get 1 free. Okay, there you see my first pack of ground beef for $7.87. There's my second pack of ground beef for $7.76. All right, they took off the 75 cents for the beans. They took off 99 cents for the Jiffy corn mix, because what they do is they take the original price off, not the sale price. And there you see 79 cents and 12. That would have come to, oh, that doesn't even make sense. That only comes to 91 cents. But they took off 99 cents. Thank you, thank you, thank you, Giant. So there you see the McCormick seasoning mix for $2.19 they took off. They should have only taken off $1.69. I don't know how that happened, but it did. So when you do the math, the 3 packs of seasoning would have been $5.07. And then you take off the $1.69 for the 1 free one, and then you minus the $2.19 that they gave me at the bottom of my receipt, and then the $1 from Ibotta. That means I paid 19 cents for 3 packs. Guys, that's an excellent deal. And then they took off $1.69 for the tomatoes. So let me find that on the receipt. Okay, so my total was $16.19, but then you have to minus the dollar for Ibotta. So everything here costs $15.10. So guys, that is the meal deal of the week from Giant. So you have until Thursday, the 15th, February 15th, to take advantage of this deal. So what's nice about this is you could use the 1 pack of ground beef and the other ingredients to make 1 pot of chili, and then you still have another pack of ground beef left. So that's almost 2 whole meals for $15.19. You can't beat that. So guys, I'm going to continue to share these weekly deals with you so that you can take advantage of them. And let me know down in the comments if this is something that you want me to do, and if this would be helpful for you and your family. Also, come back and let me know if you did the deal. And until the next time, keep on saving.